Okay, so this video here is looking at section C of Respect. That's from the grade 4 book. So what I'll do as per usual, break it down line by line, bar by bar, and then stick it all back together at the end for you. So the first thing to notice of section C is that we are now on the ride. In A and B we've been using the hi-hat the whole time. Now we're playing on the ride, and what we need to notice is that there's these little squares or diamonds, whatever you want to call them, on beats 1 and 1, 2, 3, and 4 of every bar. So on the downbeat of every bar, we've got these wee squares, and that just means we're hitting the bell of the ride rather than the shoulder of the ride. So normally we would play a groove like this. Yeah, now we're kind of going between that sort of rhythm. So I'm going to show you how to do that just now. It's very simple to in concept, but it's kind of difficult to pull off at times. But I'll show you how to do it, but I'll also play the bar without going to the bell. I'll just play it normally as well, because you can always learn it that way and add the bell in like we do with hi-hat opens and closes and stuff. Anyway, our bass and snare drum patterns are fairly straightforward. So in bar 1, we're just doing a very simple that pattern. We've got a crash on beat 1, and then we're coming down, and then we're going to the bell for the first snare drum. So with the bell, yeah, but without the bell it would just be okay. The next bar, we're borrowing a groove from what we've done before, but again we're going, that's if you're doing it with the bell. The next one, we are borrowing again another bass drum pattern, but again with the bell, but you don't have to do it with. That's line 1. So I do all that first line, you're going like this, and then the beginning of the next line is actually the end of that phrase, because there's only 3 bars and 4. So the next line, which is the top of page 2, it's again a rhythm we've had before, but that's the same pattern. Okay. Then we're starting again with a crash. It's almost like we're repeating the whole thing again with just different bass drum patterns and snare drum patterns. So we're going up to the crash, and then again the same bar we've had before. Then we're going back to the first bar again, and then the last bar we've got this pattern, and then a fill. So we're going. That's it. That's really it. I know I said I'd do it line by line, but it didn't make much sense to do it that way. Anyway, I'm going to play the whole of section C. I'm going to do it without the bell, so just a normal ride pattern. So not going, just a normal ride pattern. So you can do it that way if you want, and then I'm going to do it all over again, but this time with the bell. So we go here. So anyway, here we go. First time through, no bell. I think I missed a crash at the beginning of the 3rd line. Anyway, let's do it one more time. This time I am going to play the bell. Okay, here we go. Again, I missed the crash, but you get the idea. So that's it. That's section C. So use the video to help. Again, if you want to do it with no bell and then add the bell later, you can. If you want to go straight for learning with the bell, you can. It's entirely up to you. Anyway, hope this helps. Thanks for watching. See you in your lesson. Bye bye.